Hey guys, welcome to our channel Hacking Solution. Subscribe our channel and don't forget to press bell icon to get latest update. So this is our first tutorial of CEH version 10 in English. So let's begin.
So today I will tell you some story of data breach. Our first story is about eBay data breach, one of the real-life examples describing the need for information and network security within the corporate network is eBay data breach. eBay is a well-known online auction platform that is widely used all over the world. eBay announced its massive data breach in 2014, which contained sensitive data. 145 million customers were estimated having data loss in this attack. According to eBay, the data breach compromised the following information, including customers' names, encrypted passwords, email address, postal address, contact numbers, date of birth. eBay claims that no information relating to security numbers like a credit card's information was compromised, although identity and password theft can also cause severe risk. eBay database containing financial information such as credit cards information and other financial related information are claimed to be kept in a separate and encrypted format. The origin of eBay data breach for hackers is by compromising a small number of employees' credentials via phishing in between February and March 2014. Specific employees may be targeted to get access to eBay's network, or eBay network was entirely being monitored and then compromised. They claimed detection of this cyber attack within 2 weeks. And second story is about Google Play hack. A Turkish hacker, Ibrahim Balik, hacked Google Play twice. He conceded the responsibility of the Google Play attack. It was not his first attempt. He claimed that he was behind the Apple's developer site attack. He tested vulnerabilities in Google's developer console and found a flaw in the Android operating system, which he tested twice to make sure about it, causing crash again and again. Using the result of his vulnerability testing, he developed an Android application to exploit the vulnerability. When the developer's console crashed, users were unable to download applications, and developers were unable to upload their applications. So if you like this story, please leave a like and comment for us and keep supporting our channel. Thank you.